We have the following wave functions f of t and g of t, and we want to compute these functions below. The ratio of the two functions, the product, the difference, and the sum of the two functions. And we want to use the compound angle identities for f and g to separate them into distinct component waves. So let's start by that. F of t equals 20 cos 10t plus 60 degrees. That's 20 times, when we have cos A plus B, that's cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So that is cos 10t cos 60 degrees minus sin 10t sin 60 degrees. That's 20 cos 10t cos 60 degrees is a half minus sin 10t sin 60 degrees is square root of 3 divided by 2. I can split it up. I can use expand the bracket using the distributive property. So it's 20 over 2 times cos 10t minus 20 square root of 3 over 2 sin 10t. I can simplify this fraction. I have 10 cos 10t minus 10 square root of 3 sin 10t. So my f of t is 10 cos 10t minus 10 square root of 3 sin 10t. And my function g of t equals 50 times cos 20t plus 90 degrees. So that's 50 times cos 20t cos 90 degrees minus sin 20t sin 90 degrees. Cos 90 degrees is equal to 0, so I get rid of that component and I have minus sin 20t. Sine of 90 degrees is 1. So at the end of the day I have minus 50 sin 20t. So my g of t equals minus 50 sin 20t. The first function I have to find is h of t equals f of t over g of t. My function f of t is 10 cos 10t minus 10 square root of t square root of 3 times sin 10t over minus 50 sin 20t. I can split the function up. Minus 10 cos 10t over 50 sin 20t plus 10 square root of 3 over 50 sin 10t over sin 20t. So that's minus a fifth times cos 20t cos 10t over sin 20t plus 1 over 5 square root of 3 sin 10t over sin 20t. That's my function h. Then the next one is p of t equals f of t times the function g of t. So that is 10 cos 10t minus 10 square root of 3 sin 10t times minus 50 sine 20t. So that's minus 500 cos 10t sine 20t plus 500 square root of 3 sine 10t sine 20t. And that is my function p. The function m of t is f of t minus g of t. F of t 10 cos 10t minus 10 square root of 3 sine 10t minus the function g of t. Minus 50 is plus 50, so it's plus 50 sine 20t. And that's my final function. M of t equals 10 cos 10t minus 10 square root of 3 sine 10t plus 50 sine 20t. And of course I have the sum, the last case, q of t. Q of t is m of t, f of t, sorry, f of t plus g of t, 10 cos 10t minus 10 square root of 3 sine 10t minus 50 sine 20t.